Hello IG Garage family. Does your car feel off, or maybe it's showing the dreaded P0035 code? If you're scratching your head, wondering what's wrong with your turbo or supercharger system, don't worry. I've got you covered. Stick around, and I'll show you exactly what P0035 means, where the sensor causing the problem is located, and how to fix it. Let's get started. The P0035 code stands for Turbocharger Supercharger Bypass Valve Control Circuit High. This usually means the ECM has detected an issue with the bypass valve that regulates turbo pressure. In simpler terms, your car's turbo might be overpressurizing, which could lead to serious engine damage if not fixed. Now the location is super important. For most cars, the bypass valve is located near the turbocharger. It's typically connected to the turbo housing or intake piping. Look for a small electronic valve with vacuum lines and an electrical connector. This little guy here is responsible for managing excess boost pressure. If it fails, it could trigger the P0035 code and cause all sorts of performance issues. How do you know you have a problem? Watch for reduced engine performance or turbo lag, hissing or whooshing noises from the engine, and a persistent check engine light with the P0035 code. And what causes this? It could be a faulty bypass valve, damaged wiring, or even an issue with the vacuum lines attached to the valve. Here's how you fix it. Inspect the bypass valve for physical damage or loose connections. Check the vacuum lines and wiring for cracks or wear. If the valve is faulty, replace it with a new one. After the replacement, clear the P0035 code using a diagnostic scanner and take your car for a test drive. And that's all for code P0035. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to IG Garage, and share this video with your fellow car enthusiasts. For more car repair tips, check out our videos on P0120 to learn about throttle position sensor issues and P0088 for high fuel pressure solutions. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next video.